Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to the channel. We're going to look at some neighborhood fall color here in the neighborhood I'm taking off with my 6+ year old XK X380. It has a Git2 camera on the front, and we're going to just kind of fly it around, take some pictures. You notice a little bit of shaking. I've been having problems with the gimbal on this staying steady, but that caused a problem after this shoot, and noticing how shaky the gimbal was at times. I decided I was going to try and reseat all of the connectors, and wound up sticking one of the connectors in the wrong location, and killing both the camera and the telemetry model. Back when I first built this XK X380, you had to put everything on yourself: your own camera, your own telemetry model, your own module, your own VTX. Everything had to be installed and wired yourself. And we're looking out over Lake Erie here, and I'm going to turn to the east here in a second and get a nice shoreline view. But at any rate, it's been working fine. The gimbal get a little bit shaky once in a while, but then when I'd reseat the connectors, it seemed like it would steady out after a while. But and I never had any problems with the Gitup Git2 action cam, which takes real nice pictures, as you can see here. And now we're looking out to the west there with the nuclear power plant stacks and being visible. So I decided to try and fix the gimbal, and wound up killing the camera and the telemetry module. So it may be a while before we get any more video from my old XK X380, which is my first UAV that I started posting pictures of. Well, I did shoot some stuff with the SEMA X5C and some smaller toy drones, but this one was the first one that actually gave me some decent video. And it still, it still takes good video, and I hope to get her back up in the air after we sort of sort things out. And I have some replacement parts coming in. We're flying across my lawn, and I'm going to fly across my neighbor's lawn across the street here and kind of peer over his fence, and now we're flying back. You see me there standing by the shrubs. I had just cut the grass recently, so that's why my lawn looks kind of nice. Anyways, we had to back up here because there was a car coming down the street. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this quick little video, and we hope to get this XK X380 back up in the air again after we repair those or replace those parts that we burned up. Have a good one, and leave a comment if you're so inclined. Thanks for stopping by and watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.